Hi, we're Group 5, and this is our spot speed study presentation. I'm Nyla Amer.
I'm Kayla Doshi-Batla.
I'm Eduardo Rodriguez.
Hi, I'm Pedro Nunes.
Speed is a factor that affects us in many ways. It could help us get to places fast or late and even has the ability to kill. A speed trap will be set up to time vehicles passing two given points. The purpose of this experiment is to understand driver behavior at peak flow time to be able to construct speed groups. From this, we are able to depict speed frequency and categorize it in speed percentiles with the data observed. Below, you can see our workload divided. The location of the speed trap is at the intersection of West Main Entrance and South Marietta Parkway. Vehicles headed westbound were studied. Conditions, as you can see in the photo, is a clear, dry, sunny day.
For our methodology, we viewed the collected data at 0.25 times speed to accurately time when a vehicle entered the segment of roadway that we were monitoring at the start location marked in the picture on screen, and stopped recording the time when the vehicle exited the segment of roadway shown on screen. Later, when calculating the true time, we ended up multiplying the time that we collected by 0.25 and used that time in our calculation. We used the equation shown on screen, speed equals distance, which was 175.26 feet, divided by 1.47 times the time that we just discussed on the previous slide. As far as our speed group frequency, we ended up dividing our raw data into speed groups, with the minimum speed group being 18 miles per hour, the maximum speed group being 72 miles per hour. With a reminder that this posted speed limit is 40 miles per hour, we found that the average calculated speed limit, or the average calculated speed, actually was right around there at 40.3 miles per hour. The 50th percentile speed was 42 miles per hour, and the 85th percentile speed was 51.75 miles per hour.
And here you can see our spot speed plot with cumulative frequency over observed speed. You can see the 85th percentile marked as well as the 50th percentile marked. The average speed, like Nyla stated, was 40.3 miles per hour. However, 52% of drivers went over that speed limit posted at 40 miles per hour, 13% of them going 41 to 45 miles per hour, 17% of them going 46 to 50 miles per hour, and 16% of the drivers going 51 to 55 miles per hour.
As is shown in the table, the 85%, we use the speed between 51 and 52 miles per hour as a reference. More than 20 cars went over the speed limit, as is a permit on the South Marietta Parkway South. The speed limit is 40 miles per hour over there. Also, the speed limit permit on the South Marietta Parkway South is 40 miles. More than a half of the collect data we use for the spot speeding went over 52%. So we conclude that 52% of the collect data went over the speed limit over there, that is 40 miles per hour. So we conclude that most of the drivers that went over the speed limit, they are trying to catch up with the green light that was showing on the previous slides that we start collecting our data. And some of the drivers that went less than the speed limit, they're probably like on a stoplight trying to catch up with the green line. We recommend that the speed study be conducted more additional length of the time along with the different segment of the roadway to determine any additional measurements needs to be taken after to the speed limit. As you can see, as the reference, we use the notes as the professor provide us to calculate all the speed limit and how to get the distance. As appendix, you guys will see our raw data over here that we use 100 collect cars to get our results for the 50% and the 85%. Thank you.